I will show you how to put it on your mattress. First off, this mattress comes with a pillow topper, and it is 9 inches, and the pillow topper is 4 inches. So this is a 13-inch mattress. Now remember, the Better works best if your mattress is 7 inches or taller. So we want to make sure you have a mattress that's 7 inches, and any height after that, the Better will work on. So, and the other thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you have the top from the bottom. The corners are made with spandex type material, and it also has a thick elastic at the top. This is going to be your top. The thick elastic is going to be the top. Another way to find out what's the top is there's a Better tag. I don't know if you can see it from over there, but that goes at the top and at the foot of the bed. So how do I know top from the bottom? Thick elastic on the corner and the tag at the top. So from then on, what you want to do is you want to line up your corners. So line it up on your bed like this. Leave it loose on your bed and just line it up along the corners of your mattress. There you go. This corner goes here. So now that we have it like that, what we want to do is you want to put your Better halfway down your mattress. You don't want to put it all the way on. You want to put it halfway. So you're going to line up your corners and you're going to put it halfway like that. So it may seem silly, but I promise you it's the easiest way to put it on. If not, you may struggle trying to put it on. So I line up my corner, halfway on, line up my corner, halfway on. And you can do that with each corner. So top's going to be hanging just like this. You get to the last corner, it simply just goes on just like that. So here you go. That's stage 1, step 1. You do like that. The second part is what you want to do is grab the bottom of the Better, just like this, and the top. And you're going to pull it out just like this till you get about 2 inches below the top of your mattress. You do the same thing on each side. Pull it out about 2 inches below the top of your mattress. Do that on each corner. Pull it out 2 inches below the top of your mattress. All right. So now that you have it 2 inches below the top of your mattress, the only other thing you have to do is tuck it in. So hopefully this will be the last time you have to lift your mattress. Take it, lift your mattress, and tuck whatever's remaining of the Better underneath, just like that. And you want to make it neat, because once you put it on once, and you never have to put it on again. So hopefully this is the last time you have to lift your mattress. Tuck it in, and you want to do that on all sides. Same thing here. Lift it and tuck it in. And remember, the top pretty much tucks itself in, so if you have a headboard, no need to worry about that. And then remember, the corners is what holds your sheets, your blankets in. The sides are going to be loose. See this? That's so you can get in and out. Your blankets can come in and out easily. The corners is what holds it. So the corners are going to keep your blankets in. The sides are going to be loose so you can easily get in and out of the bed. And one more thing, let me tell you why it's so important to follow those instructions. If you put your Better on with all those corners on 2 inches down, then guess what? When you get here, you're going to struggle and you're going to say, I can't get it on. You're going to call us and say, I can't get it on. So it's very important to follow those instructions because this is really tight. The Better is fit for each bed. So if you have a standard king, standard queen, standard full, this is what it's made for. If the Better is too tight and you can't get it on after you follow the instructions, or if it's too loose and it's just not holding your sheets, then the chances are you need to measure your mattress because you don't have a standard size like you think you do. And we do have custom, so we can actually make it for any sizes. And you would be surprised. People buy a king, they have a European king, they never even knew that existed. The same with queens. There's short queens, there's all kind of different size queens. So make sure you have a standard size and this will fit. If you don't, you can easily order a custom. But if it's too loose or too tight, then chances are you probably have the wrong size.